2011 Jaguar XJ, 5.0 version, of course. It's D, man. I just wanted to make a quick video. You know what I mean? It's been a year in the making. I still got a little more to go, but this is what we got so far, man. I just want to give a quick few shout outs to my man Jesse for all the body work, all this great detail work. Y'all understand how much time and energy and effort this man actually put into this vehicle. It's been a year in the making, maybe a little over a year. Shout out to Carl over there at Vehicle Revolution for this SVR kit. Shout out to Marquis for all the engine work. Shout out to Alpha Jag Tuning. We got a lot of horses in this one, but I'm gonna show y'all all the detail work. Let's get into it. First and foremost, look at that, man. Just look at that. All of this is custom work. Everything on this car is custom. Everything. From the Jag logo, those headlights. Everything is custom, man. Get the motherfucking wheels, dog. Yeah, we put a lot into this vehicle, man. We put a lot of detail into this. A lot. And we still got more to go. I just wanted to give y'all a real quick up and close view of this car. For all the XJ lovers, man. You know what I mean? It's been a long time coming, man. We've been waiting for kits and just all type of little things we could do for this XJ, man. So, hey, man, we got a chance now. We got a chance, man. Thanks to the guys at Vehicle Revolution. Carl in particular. That's who helped me. A shout out to the whole team, though, for sure. So, I'll be back in a couple months, man, with, you know, another update, a better update, the complete version of this car. But that's what we got so far, man. Y'all tell me what y'all think about it.